everybody, Crazy Will from Crazy Will's Tech Show with another Crazy Will quick tip. Wow, it's been a really long time since I've done one of these. Sorry guys, and for the people that don't know what Crazy Will quick tips are, they're just 4-minute or 5-minute little videos just showing you a quick tip of something that I learned that I want to share with you and put it out there. And they're just randomly scheduled. There's no schedule, not like my show that comes out every Friday. Today, I want to talk to you about this light that I recommended a while back. It is a cheap little $30 battery powered light if you want to see more about it. It was the Canon Vixia accessories video, and I'll put it right here. It goes more into detail on this light, but you could do this with any LED light. So basically what I did was I have this light, and let me show you. Okay, so I have this light, and you know, it's nice, it's a little harsh. Turn it on. It has a diffuser on it, but I wanted more of a light box kind of nice image hitting my face. So what I decided to do, this is my little quick tip for you guys, is I got some tissue paper, and I just took this tissue paper here, cut out some squares, took the square, opened this up right here, took this off, placed the square right in here, see? Covers the LEDs, and put this little case on it like that. So now the lights aren't as bright, and it does like an even light instead of a harsh light. Right now, this is the light with the tissue paper on it. Let me show you what it looks like without it. Alright, so here's the tissue paper from that light. You can see there's a big difference. I'll do a little side-by-side comparison for you. And this is the difference, how harsh the light is. It's kind of blaring right at me and kind of making it look like, I don't know, Blair Witch Project kind of thing. And now we'll put it back in. And that's a softer looking, glowing light. Now it looks a lot better. It brings me out a little bit better. It doesn't blare your vision of me. It kind of evenly lights my skin. So that's it for this quick tip. I hoped it helped you, and if it did, please like and subscribe. And remember, you can do anything, and I mean anything, if you put your mind to it. Later, guys! That's great, that just hit the camera. It's over. That's it, guys. I mean, there's other videos up there. Or if you want to do me a huge favor, click the like button, or subscribe button's even better.